Well, hello friends, this is me again, Sushant Grover, and this time we have Dr. Aayushi with us who have secured rank 2 May AIIMS 2016. Congratulations, Dr. Aayushi.
Thank you, sir.
So many congratulations. Uh, rank 2 May AIIMS 2016. What is the feeling right now?
So it feels great.
बस इतना सही.
Yes. I mean, it's a pleasure to be able to come here. I always saw interviews and was inspired by them. I never knew I would come and give one such interview.
I must say that it's an honor to have you here. It's
Thank
an
you,
honor
sir.
that you were being a part of DBMCI. It's been long that DBMCI is in touch with you. What was the experience with DBMCI?
It's been a great experience. I joined test and discussion series in Dr. Bhatia's Medical Institute. They were of immense help to me, especially some subjects like PSM, anatomy, physiology, pharmacology and medicine itself. Even some small sessions by Dr. Bhatia, whenever there was a problem with class, he would come all over and take a small session or arrange special points for us, and believe me, a lot of questions have come from there. So sir, and it's been a great help.
Time. That's so nice. I have heard from so many people that from November AIIMS 2015 and May AIIMS 2016 there was a bit difference in the exam. Can you please explain it in your words?
So when I went for the exam in November, we were not expecting many pictures, but there were 40 pictures in the paper, predictable type. More from final year subjects, a few pathology and everything was covered. But the paper in May was so basic, it had all histology pictures, all pathology, the things that you have to do during medical school, during your professional years. That only highlighted that the people who are consistent during the 5 years of MBBS were wanting to select those people out of the lot. They want to see how consistent you have been. They've asked slides which you do not read during your preparation, which you only do during the 5 years. So I think that was a very important part of the paper, and most of the people who have been consistent have got a result this time.
That's great. As I have just said earlier, it's been a long time with DBMCI. Any specific books or any specific notes that you have liked the most or something like that?
Sir, the app that you all have made, it's amazing. We only read that. It is a concise Harrison. I was always very scared of Harrison. That book, I used to think that toppers always read that book and I am never going to be able to top because I have not touched that book. But then whenever I read a chapter or a topic from Sir's app, I used to go back to Harrison and feel I have read more than Harrison. It has what is there in the next edition, what are the important things being discussed in town. So it has a lot of things and in a very easy manner. And because we all use so much of the phone, it is so easy to read. It doesn't give you a feeling that you're being burdened with books or you're reading a lot. So it's been a great help to me. After every chapter, there are questions, there are review points. You can mark important points. It's been a major part of my preparation.
Okay, so rank 2 May AIIMS 2016 is sitting with us, and we'll gonna require some knowledge from you that how did you prepare for your examination? What was the main funda? What was the main mindset of yours when you were studying or when you was attempting the exam? Can you please explain that?
So I never knew that I'll do so well. So I never prepared for the exam as such. I read consistently for 5 years, and I think that has been a major has played a major role in the rank. So besides that, I think you should use internship very well. You should not be overburdened by the fact that you are having to work. Read 2-3 hours every day. Do justice to whatever you are reading. Read that well. Be concise so that you don't have to come back again and again. Make good notes. Utilize what is being taught in class. Sit properly in the classes. Listen to the teachers. Go back. Read things properly. Add extra points in your pre-formed notes. And make things so easy for yourself that during the final day you can revise. And I think the most important thing is that you have to believe in yourself. When I gave November, I thought I'm not going to get a rank. When I got 70, I was shocked. So this time when I went for the exam, I thought that I have very good chances because most of the people who were ahead of me are out of the race. So I think that belief only made me mark so many questions correctly that I am very happy. Matlab, I think everybody should think that they'll get rank 1, and that makes you do very well. So have belief, read everything well, do justice, and
I think you
follow your teachers.
You've already explained my next question, but I'll just put that again. We're gonna sum up this interview just after that question. That any message you want to give it to your juniors, that people will be coming giving exam in November AIIMS or maybe May 2017 AIIMS. So any message you want to give to your juniors, please?
Yeah, I would say that whenever you start preparing, be it first year, second year, read everything well. Read from textbooks during your professional years, and then come back, add extra points to that. Whatever new things you see the images related to that, because nowadays all exams are image based. Practice questions, whatever coaching you join, do justice to it. Matlab, whatever things you are getting from coaching, go back and read it again. Be consistent, and have a dream, believe in yourself, and you will be here giving an interview after 1 year.
And just I'll add up something which you were saying me in my cabin, that keep yourself calm, keep yourself cool.
Yeah,
It's the
very
most
important.
It's very important.
Those 3 hours are the most important part of the game. If you do well there, you are ahead of half the people.
Yes, exactly. My friends, this is again Dr. Aayushi, rank 2, May AIIMS 2016. Again, congratulations,
Thank you,
and
sir.
it's an honor to have you here.
Thank you,
Thanks
sir.
for giving us your time. Thank you.
sir.
Thank you, friends.